Welcome back to Winmate. Today, we are showcasing the ultimate choice for smart transit, the WNAI-E600 rugged edge computer. Powered by NVIDIA Jetson AGX Orin. This edge AI computer is built for real-time video analytics, featuring rich I/O connectivity. It is shaping the new future of smart transportation. Built for maximum vision, the WNAI-E600 comes equipped with 8x GMSL2 with FAKRA connectors. But here is the real game changer. Our system can connect up to 8 cameras simultaneously. As you can see in this live test, every single feed is perfectly synchronized with absolutely zero latency. The WNAI-E600 ideal for public transit. This premium edge AI computing platform safeguards our streets, giving operators complete, real-time control and flawless situational awareness from every angle. For full specifications or to connect with our team for your next project, click the product link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more innovative solutions from Winmate. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.